Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to import saved passwords from other web browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox into the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge web browser and you want to select the menu icon up in the top right corner. Just go ahead and left click on that and you want to go down and select settings. On the right side, you want to select import browser data. And now you should have all your web browsers installed on your computer listed here. Select the import button next to whichever browser you want to import the password information from. And you can uncheck everything except for saved passwords. And then once you're done with that, you just would go ahead and select the import button. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.